Follow the footsteps of a factory coming alive. CoreWorks, where production begins.
Multiple subjects detected. Initiating large-scale intake protocol.
Easy, easy. Open it slow. Whoa, that's a big group. Keep the door steady. Lower the straps. Keep them steady. Group 1, move them onto the conveyor. Let's go.
Hold them steady. Lane 2, don't move yet. Scan looks clean, keep the line moving.
Bone integrity confirmed. Structure within expected parameters.
Softening looks perfect. Keep the pressure right there.
Yeah, don't let the rhesus fibers compress too much. This batch is clean.
Pressure looks good. Keep the rhesus sheet stable. Maintain level 3, don't overwash the texture.
Rotation stable. Rhesus batch cleaning perfectly.
pH holding at 7, Lin, ideal for synthetic pure.
Intact, good quality.
UV level at 60%, hold it steady. Textures look clean cleanings, proceed to softening.
Pressure set to soft mode. Don't compress the fur too much. Rhesus fibers responding great.
Pressure set to level 3. Don't let the roller press too hard. We need the fur to stay intact.
Let them drain for at least 30 seconds. Don't rush this stage, or the fibers won't settle properly.
Pressure steady at level 2, keep the tension smooth. These small hides flatten perfectly only with a soft pull.
Airflow looks good. Keep the temperature low. We don't want the fibers to stiffen.
Brush pressure stable. Make sure every hide gets a clean pass.
There.
Uniform texture is critical.
Zoom in on hide number 6. I'm seeing a density shift near the upper right corner. Confirm it.
Smoothness is almost perfect. Increase the cycle by 2 seconds for the next batch.
All sheets loaded clean. No deformities, no miscuts.
Good. Send the tray up to the coating unit. Keep the stack stable.
Spray pattern is clean, keep the nano coating even across every sheet.
Copy that. Don't let the smaller hides dry too fast. Maintain humidity.
Temperature is steady. These rhesus sheets are curing perfectly.
Keep airflow balanced. We don't want uneven drying. Press cycle looks good. No warping on any sheet.
Perfect. Send them down to the fiber tightening section.
Tension levels are perfect for this batch. Good. Log the results and move them forward.
Light coat only. Don't oversaturate the fibers.
Understood. Keep it balanced.
Heat is stable. These rhesus sheets are absorbing the oil perfectly.
Good. Don't let the edges dry too fast. Keep the airflow balanced.
Roller pressure looks perfect. Don't touch the settings.
Copy that. These small hides are smoothing out cleanly.
Fiber map looks clean. No disruptions in the surface layer.
All right, send it to the pre-press trimming area.
Edges are clean, no burn marks detected.
Good. Let's move them to the fiber seal unit.
Sealant looks even. UV cycle is running clean. Perfect. These rhesus sheets are ready for final refinement.
Alignment's spot on. These rhesus panels are locking perfectly to the grid.
Good. Let the system finish marking. These sheets are ready for stitching setup.
Seam projections are clean. Every panel is lining up perfectly.
Good. Prep cycle looks solid. Move them into the stitching run.
Stitching's perfect. Keep the tension level steady. Copy.
These rhesus panels are sewing clean. Edges are holding. Clean folds, no lifting.
Good. Push them into the shaping molds.
Structure's locking in. These molds are running perfect. All right. Release cycle in 3 seconds.
Snaps are aligned. No drift on the left side.
Good. Send them to the finishing line.
Edges look clean, smooth finish all around.
Perfect.
Move them to final assembly.
Start the first row nice and tight, no loose stitches. Keep your lines straight, no wobble on these Reese's panels.
Start slow, then pick up speed. Every stitch has to land exactly on the guide.
Pocket seams tight. Customers pull on these every day.
Long seams tell the story, keep it straight all the way. Line them up. These two panels have to sit perfect together.
Bottom edge sealed. That's the structure right there.
Clean finish, no loose threads on any unit.
Press the seams, keeps it looking tight and professional.
Light coat only. Too much glue ruins the edge. Let it dry slow. That's how you get a clean finish.
Buttons clean. Make sure it snaps smooth. Looks good. Send it to packaging.
Clean finish, make it look fresh before boxing.
Sort them by batch number before we label.
Batch 14. Print 20 labels. Keep them clean.
Sort them by batch number before we label.
Smooth finish looks good. Drop it in soft.
Seal it clean. Presentation matters.
All right, send this batch down the line. System's reading everything clean, no errors.
Pack them tight, keeps them steady during transport.
Crate sealed, ready for dispatch.
All right, lift it slow, don't tilt the load.
Bring it straight to the truck ramp. Careful on the turn.
Perfect, right there. Lock it in place.
Straps tight, this crate won't move an inch.
Door locked. Product batch ready to roll out.
Shipment looks solid. Keep it smooth all the way out.
Batch shipped. Another day done.
Next batch starts tomorrow. Keep the line running.
Step inside and witness production awakening. CoreWorks, forged in steel and precision.